Hi guys, in this video I'll be showing you how I make my banana scrambled egg. I'm still on my 50 days fast, and this is one of my weight loss recipes which I'll be using to break my fast at 6 p.m. I will use just half of the banana. So I'm not gonna add anything else, that's all. Just to let you know, I mostly have my last meal around 8 o'clock or 8:30 p.m. and it's still fine because of the time I sleep. It's recommended that you sleep at least 3 hours after your last meal. But because I join the live prayer meetings that is hosted by Potter City on their YouTube channel, Prophet Nana Sopoku Sakode YouTube channel, it means that by the time the prayer meeting or the service is finished, it's almost 11 p.m. So I don't sleep until that time, and also my baby keeps me awake in the night. So eating late doesn't really affect me too much because somehow I can still get that food to digest before I sleep. I can smell the butter and the banana. So that's my banana scrambled egg. All done. Nice and dusted. I'm going to have this with green tea. The naturally caffeine free. That's the one I'll be using. You are invited to my breakfast.